This is my computer. It's just over 7 months old, and because I've got no space on my desk, it has to be close to the carpet. Of course, this resulted in a lot of dust building up in there, and I mean a lot. So my computer was getting louder and warmer and performing worse, so I looked for some easy ways to clean it. I'd already heard of cans of compressed air, but I was shocked at how much they cost. Seriously? £8 for a can of air? And after doing some research, I found that they don't last very long, so you have to use at least 2 per clean, and some release liquid if you spray them for too long, and that's before you even get started on their environmental impact. So I looked for other options and found the ITDusters CompuCleaner, which is an electric air duster. At first I was skeptical because it was really expensive. I got mine for $45.99 from their website, which I recommend because it's much cheaper than on Amazon. But when you consider the long-term cost, it works out quite well. Let me explain. Ideally, you should be cleaning your computer every 2 to 3 months. If you use 2 cans per clean at £8 each, that's between £64 and £96 per year, depending on how often you clean, just on compressed air cans, so it makes sense over a long period of use. In the box, you get some attachments to change the precision of the airflow, a spare air filter, a user manual, and the CompuCleaner itself, which is made of plastic, but it's quite heavy and feels premium, so it's not really a big deal. Another great thing about it is that the cable is braided and long, making it durable and handy to use outside, where you might not have a plug nearby. Here's some footage of me cleaning my computer with it. I will show some images after as well, so you can see how well it worked. Honestly, I think I probably could have done with some anti-static brushes as well, because quite a lot of the dust was caked on as well, so I feel like it would have been better to have a brush as well, just to get those last bits off. But overall it works really well and I'm really pleased with it. As you can see here, there's still quite a bit of dust left on the graphics card, but as I said before, it's kind of caked on, so an anti-static brush probably would have been best there. Overall, my PC is so much cleaner. The dust filters and fans are perfect now. It's running a lot quieter and I'm very happy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.